Hey guys, welcome back. So, this lesson we were learning about perception. So, let's get this assignment started. Explain the stages in the perception process. What are they and how does it work? So, there are 3 stages in the perception process, which are select, organize, and interpret. In the select stage, you choose what stimuli you want to focus on. And then when you go over to the organize stage, you will sort and categorize the information you choose. And then you go on to the interpret stage, which is you assign meaning to these stimuli. Next, it's explain what is and what is not happening to the people in the video during the first stage of the perception process due to personal technology devices. So, in the video, they are choosing to focus on their phones and devices, which I guess is what we consider the select part. And what is not happening is that because they're solely focusing on the screens, they are not able to absorb any information from their surroundings because of the phones. All right. Next, how does this type of situation impact your life? So, as the author of the video said, I don't really know what to call him. What's his name? Gary Turk. As Gary Turk said, this impacts our lives because being distracted by our phones prevents us from seeing opportunities out there. Much like how he showed us an example of the meeting someone on the street and then end up marrying them, but how it didn't happen because instead of asking for help, he was just distracted, but he was looking at his phone and trying to figure out himself. Alright, next question. How are your social roles impacted by perceptual accuracy? So, our roles can be affected by perceptual accuracy because if what we identify is correct and we can use that to our advantage because we know what's going on, then we can use that to further ourselves with the knowledge we gain by being open to our surroundings, as well as going back to our former example of the opportunities. We're able to see opportunities and then take advantage of them when they show themselves. Alright, and the last question, do you see this situation having an impact on current and future interpersonal communication in society? Yes. I find it that this could, this constant distraction could cause us to become less willing to talk to people face to face, and instead, we can choose to call them on the phone, text them, just talk to them in a way that they're there but not really there. Kind of like how Gary here said in his video. And if we do talk to someone face to face, it'll most likely be awkward because you don't have a screen to hide behind. They can see you. Alright, and that concludes the video.